Hey guys, welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guys. So I actually finally had some time to do a video. This is a new light bulb camera. This is with app Cam 720. So if you want to find the app, it's actually super easy. You take a picture with your phone. I'm going to show you guys real quick if you don't know how to do it. All you have to do, open your camera and you hold it here and it gives you the yellow link. If you push that link, it will take you to your Play Store. So this is the app you want to get, Cam 720. It's a free app. So I'm going to install this real quick and we're going to open the camera up. So you have a user manual you can check. I know it's kind of funny. People always ask me, oh, this didn't work. I'm like, did you read the manual? And most people don't, right? So in the box, you have your couple of screws here. You have your manual. You have your camera. And this camera, what I like about it is wireless. So it actually comes with this. So if you don't have a socket outside, or most houses, they have one light bulb outside, so you don't want to lose that light, you can install this. And or if you have two lights, you can sacrifice one and put this in. Or anywhere. Maybe you want to put it inside, for watching the pets, or you want to watch the kids or whatever, right? Anyway, let's dive in real quick. So I'm going to show you how this works, but let's do the app first. Okay, so we have the Cam 720 app here open. And we agree to the terms, otherwise you can't use the app. Now, it will ask you, send you notification, yes, because if something happens, we want to get notifications. It says no account, sign up, or if you have an account, sign up. So if you don't have an account, we're going to sign up. So what you want to do, agree, okay? You want to put your email here and you want to set a password. So I'm going to put my email here and I'm going to set a password and I'll be right back. This is the only time I remove my phone from the screen when I put my personal information, but on your phone is going to be the same thing. You put your information. So perfect. So when you first go here, guys, actually, let me see this quick. So I open this, it goes to the Cam 720, it goes to no account, sign up. So we're gonna sign up. Now it says a country, region of location. Where are we? We are in Canada, so we push Canada. If you're in a different place, whatever country you're in, you choose that country. So we confirm and confirm. Now it says put your email, enter your password, and enter the password again. So I'm going to do this quick. Sorry about that. I forgot to turn off my phone's notification, but oops. Now, when you guys put your information in, I'm going to show you this real quick. It gives you a little eye in the corner. If you touch that eye, it will show you a password. So you want to make sure your password are the same. Otherwise, it's not going to work, okay? So I'm going to go to next step. Now, it goes to the next step. It says account verification. It will send me an email. I just got the email. It will send me an email. I'm going to show you guys this real quick as well. It says, see, Cam 720 email verification code. So you want to open that email and either copy and paste or just remember that number. It should be a 6-digit. 120 149. Okay. So we go here. 120 149, I believe. Yes. Register. That's it. That's how long it takes. Now, the really cool thing is there's actually a video here when you open the app on how to install this. Well, if you don't want to watch that video, you can watch my video, right? So I go here. Now, what I did for you guys, I want to show you guys something real quick. I have a little light here in the downstairs, so I just took the bulb out because it's a lot easier to set up this camera inside. And once it's set up, you can take it and install it outside if you want to take them outside. So Give me a second here. Let me just plug this in real quick. Okay, so I got this plugged in, and I'm gonna turn this on quick. And see what happens. Normally it does a little like a quick startup. So perfect. So it's live. All right. Let me move this here quick closer to you guys. Okay. So when you hear that beep, it goes beep beep, it means it's ready to be paired. Now, if you don't hear that for some reason, all you have to do, if you actually move this here slowly with your finger, I think you should be able to see that in the bottom here. There is a space for a memory card, and there is a little thing here that you can push to reset. Okay, so if you didn't hear a beep, you can reset. Now, let's go to the app real quick. Sorry about that, guys. You can see. So we have an app. We already installed the app. All you gotta do, go to plus, and it says Wi-Fi connection, wired connection, or add a 4G camera. We are doing a Wi-Fi connection, right? So I'm gonna push the Wi-Fi connection, and then also open here, and you want to give permission to the app to communicate with the phone, right? So go back, open now. Oh, sorry. App permissions, notifications, on, camera, location, microphone. You can go through all these, okay? Anything that you don't like, you can leave it as it is. Don't open right now. Okay, so go to Wi-Fi connection. I guess we have to do this. What does it want me to do? This app requires access to location permission for obtaining. Okay, so location permissions. Location permissions. Only while using the app. Okay, perfect. So that should solve that issue. Go back and go back. Perfect now. It says make sure that the router, camera, and the phone are unobstructed and within 2 meters. Well, my router is upstairs, but I don't have good internet here. Oops. No audio heard. Okay, we heard the audio, right? Beep beep. So he says, I heard it. This shows you how to reset, by the way. If you didn't hear the beep beep, you can reset it. There's a different camera. It's not the same one, but the process is the same. Okay, so next step. Now, what you need to do, you have to go to your Wi-Fi. So leave this here right away, okay? All you have to do, you go to your and looking and for this here, JAA1 B3F5. You're gonna see this in your settings. So I'm gonna go to my settings real quick. Settings. I'm gonna go to, actually let me turn this on real quick because I don't want to bother me every time it beeps. Sorry about that. Go back. We go to our connection. We go to our Wi-Fi. Now you're gonna see a Wi-Fi that you normally use, but you're also gonna find another Wi-Fi here. Give it a couple of seconds. Right here. This is the one we are looking for, right? JAA1 something. So I'm gonna connect this real quick. Now what happens is this is like it's gonna tell you there's no internet, okay? But it's okay because it's just gonna connect the app to the phone and to your Wi-Fi. That's all. I'm not super techy, so I don't know how these things work like 100%. So connect only this time. Now you want to go back and you want to go to your app. So we're going to go back to the app here and we're going to go to the next step. So we connected. Make sure you connect your Wi-Fi to this, okay? Next step. Now you have to put your Wi-Fi password, right? You have to put the Wi-Fi password. So give me a second here, guys. Oops. Perfect. And again, you have that either, right? So I'll put my Wi-Fi password and I'm going to push next step. Sorry about that. And Okay, so I have my Wi-Fi, and again, if you push that I, you can see if your password, you put the correct password, and you go next step. And then you go here, you go here, you go here, you go here, go to the screenshot, and we're gonna go back to our Wi-Fi. Okay, go back. Did I miss something here? Switch Wi-Fi. Go back to the Wi-Fi here, connect that J. Okay, it's connecting. It's gonna tell us, oh, there is no internet, but we're gonna connect it this time anyway. Connect this time. What did I miss here? Go back. Sorry. You go back to here. Okay, connection.
Configuration information.
So it's gonna take a couple of seconds. I'm gonna show you. It tells you it's connecting to the network. If you put your passwords correctly, if you did everything correctly, it should connect.
Network connection successful.
Perfect. So Wi-Fi connection
is online.
All right, our camera is online. We are good to go. Now, I know I did this video very quick, but if you guys, and by the way, it's going to tell you if you want to go to a cloud storage, you can try it for free, maybe 7 days or 30 days or whatever it is. You can buy a memory SD card and put the SD card in your camera, so you don't need this. Why pay? Cancel. And our camera is live. Now, it tells you a couple of little things here. It teaches you how to use it. There's audio, next step. Your video is recording. Okay, next step. Then it tells me I can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Okay, and this is our PTZ right here. Now, let's check this out real quick. Oh, because I moved the camera, that's why. I was trying to see the reset for it. Let me turn this, guys, so you can see better, probably. Okay, so our camera is live. Perfect. Now you have the PTZ control here. Oh, I went too much. No, I don't want to get perfect. And you can go left, you can go right. There's a talking feature here. There's a microphone you can push while using the app. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? So you can actually watch this. Oops. Hello.
Hello.
So you can actually talk to a person there at the door if you have a delivery coming or something like that. But this is super cool. Now, I don't want to make this video longer than what it is. I just wanted to show you guys how to connect the app on your phone and how to connect the app to the camera and your Wi-Fi. Now, I will make another video and I'll go to all the features and all the details, all the things you can do with the camera later. If this video helped you guys to set up your camera, this works for all the 720 cameras. If you have a different camera but it's the same app, the process is the same. Okay? But thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you set up your camera. And if you're missing something, if something didn't work out, leave a comment. I will try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.